What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just in Morocco at the moment for a family vacation, so I thought what better way is it than create a short video on why we do what we are trying to do, which is create passive income through multiple businesses like Amazon, FBA, Shopify, etc. The reason why we wanted to create that is so we can enjoy life and the meaning of life and experience new things without having to rely on a 9-to-5 job and live terms by what other people tell you to. Amazon is the best business model, in my opinion, to do that, because you can literally work from anywhere in the world, or as long as you have internet connection, and it takes a small investment. It doesn't cost that much, only a couple of £1,000s at start. It is an automated business where once you found a product and set everything up, you literally just look at your sales, keep generating higher and higher. That is all it takes. Just at a basketball court at the moment. Be cool to shoot some hoops after. But yeah, like I was saying, that this business model, it is one of the best because you can literally experience life as well as making a lot of money, like a full-time income's worth of money. And all it takes is a bit of hard work and dedication at the start. And once you've found a few products that you have that will generate you income, it's just on autopilot thereafter. You just monitor your stock and just reorder inventory when needed, and as well as adjusting the PPC a bit. In regards to an update in my Amazon business, is that my current product, I'm currently generating about 2 to 3 sales a day, making a £10 to £15 profit. It isn't great, but as I mentioned, I am going to get rid of that product now, just because the competition is high and the sales has dropped a bit. And the pricing has dropped as well. In regards to my second product, Chinese holiday has finished. So my second product is now shipped, so I should receive it in the next 20 to 30 days, which is obviously quite long, but it is an improvement and is a step forward to getting closer to selling my products. I have found a third potential product which I'm currently negotiating and just finding a bit more about the product with my suppliers, like what products I can bundle it with, what pricing I can get it at. I'm looking at, in terms of pricing, spend about $3,000 to $4,000, which is significantly more than what I have initially spent in my first and second product. My first product I spent about $1,600. My second product I spent about $1,000. So even both of them combined is still less than this third product, which will cost me £3,000 to £4,000 or dollars. Sorry. I feel like this product is worth it because there is a lot more sales. On average, it's about 300 to 500 sales. The pricing is significantly more, so I can sell the product for about £25 to £30, as opposed to my first product, which is about £15 to £16, and the second product, which is about £10 to £12. So it is a benefit in that sense. I need to make sure that I get the best quality product because I need to make it work, as I'm investing quite a bit amount. But hopefully it should play well, and I can start negotiating with my suppliers in the next week or so. As at the moment, I'm just finding a bit more information on what I can do with the product in terms of what I can bundle it with, as well as what pricing I can get it at, etc. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to create this small short video, is just to motivate you and inspire you guys to take action today, because you could be living in your dream destination, or you could be going traveling and just living a better life, better, happier life, supporting your family, if you just take action and start a business model that creates you passive income. And I see no better business model than Amazon FBA, which I do encourage you guys to start as soon as possible. Do not procrastinate and just start today. That is all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe below. And if you wanted to see how I actually found my second and third Amazon product, be sure to hit the link below.